Understanding, Set in Stone, a guide to unchangeable decisions. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have come across, set in stone. This expression has a rich background and an interesting usage in everyday English. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your conversations and writing. Our goal is to help you understand this phrase thoroughly and add it to your growing English vocabulary arsenal. When we say something is set in stone, we mean that it is fixed, unchangeable, or irreversible. The phrase evokes the image of words carved into stone, suggesting permanence and immutability. In real-life contexts, it's often used to describe decisions, plans, or rules that cannot be altered or negotiated. For example, if your teacher says, "The exam date is set in stone," it means the exam date is final and will not change. The expression, set in stone, has a literal origin that dates back to ancient times when important laws, decrees, and records were inscribed in stone. These stone inscriptions were meant to last for generations, signifying that the content was permanent and unalterable. Over time, the phrase evolved into a metaphorical expression used to convey the idea of something being unchangeable or established beyond doubt. Incorporating set in stone into your English communication is a great way to sound more native and expressive. It's commonly used in both formal and informal contexts. Here are a few examples to help you understand its usage. Making plans. Our holiday itinerary isn't set in stone yet. We can still make changes. Business decisions. The company's merger plan is set in stone, with no room for adjustments. Personal beliefs. His principles are set in stone, and he won't compromise them for anything. Remember, while the phrase typically suggests inflexibility, it can also be used to emphasize the potential for flexibility when something is not set in stone. We hope this exploration of the phrase, set in stone, has been enlightening and will help you use it confidently in your English conversations and writings. Remember, language is not just about words but the history and culture they carry. Set in Stone is a great example of how English continues to evolve, drawing on its rich past. Thank you for joining us, and keep practicing your English skills. Until next time, happy learning!